Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelsy Prince, aka Princess of Curls. I do lifestyle, natural hair, and body care hauls. So if you're new here, welcome. And if you're a long time subby, as you see by the title, I neglected my hair. As you can see here, I neglected my hair for a week and some change, probably a week and 4 days. And honestly, you guys, I want to show you the steps that I take to make sure my hair is moisturized and good to go for the week, because I neglected it for over a week, and this is how my hair starts to look. I'm gonna do a little 360 so you guys can see. So my hair looks crazy, like it looks crazy. I don't know if it's catching on camera, but it looks crazy. When you leave your hair over a week in any style, you need to pre-poo. Okay, you need to pre-poo. What's pre-poo? If you guys don't know, it's pre-shampoo, which means you can use any product. It doesn't have to say pre-poo. You can use any product on your hair that has slip, which means that's able to detangle very nicely. Those are products you should be using as your pre-poo. So for today's pre-poo, first step to help with this hair is going to be Nature's Little Secret Fenugreek Detangling Pre-poo. So this product is the product I'm going to be using right now. So I'm going to pre-poo out of the shower. Typically I pre-poo in the shower, but I don't want to be in the shower for like an hour long. Typically what I do is I part my hair in half or in at least 4 sections. I don't have my hair ties. I'm just so unorganized. I don't have my hair ties here on the table. I have one, but other than that, so I'm just going to use this one on this side. Pre-poo, you don't have to use a lot. You just have to use enough. With pre-poo, the goal is to detangle your hair before you go and use the shampoo. So however much product or however much sections you need, you can go ahead and do that. But for me, I need about 4 sections. See, look how tangled my hair is. Oh my god. And I can't believe my camera is dying right now, so hopefully it doesn't die on us. Okay, so I parted it in about 4 sections. This is what we're working with. I use the consistency of this is like slimy, kind of watery. I don't know if the consistency changed over time because I know this product is kind of old, but we're gonna use it anyways. It smells like aloe, and it smells like aloe and green tea, so just detangling my hair. So pre-poo is definitely not necessary every wash day. I don't pre-poo every wash day. I only pre-poo when I need to, when I absolutely feel like my hair needs it. And over time, you're gonna know when your hair needs it and when you don't need it. So typically I don't need pre-poo, but today, as you can see, like my hair needs it, and I know it needs it because I haven't washed my hair in over a week. So you're gonna start to realize and start to know about your hair and when you think you need to pre-poo. So that's one thing. When you're pre-pooing, you could use a comb, or you can use your fingers. I typically just use my fingers. That does the job for me, but it's up to you and your preference. You guys, if you've been following me for a while, you guys don't see, I don't really use combs and brushes on my hair unless I'm styling my hair. And that's just my preference. It's all up to you and your preference. That's just me and how I do it. So this side is pretty much about done. So the goal is just to make sure it gets detangled, or very much pretty detangled enough for you to go ahead in the shower. So I'm going to do the next few sections off camera, and I'm going to come back on. I'm back. So I just finished pre-pooing my whole head. Now, as you can see, my hair is not extremely like wet. The whole point of pre-pooing is for you to detangle your hair as much as you can, but you don't have to go overboard. You don't have to get every single nick and crick. All you gotta do is just detangle with your fingers enough where you feel comfortable using a shampoo afterwards. So what's gonna happen is I'm going to rinse out that product in my hair, and then I'm gonna do a voiceover of all the other steps and products I'm gonna use, just to make this video go faster, and so that you guys can really get all of the steps that we need to take. Now you see me going in, rinsing this off. I promise you guys, I'm not mad. I swear to God, I'm not mad. Pull out some type of scalp scrub. I'm using Resource Curls Detox Scalp Scrub. I'm not going to give a full review, but if you want a full review, there's definitely a video already on my channel, so definitely check that out. But the scent is pepperminty. It has beads in it, and it's easy to wash out, so you're going to see me apply that next. The consistency is kind of gooey, kind of runny, but it has substance, so we love that. Now I'm going to be applying it to my scalp. So you want to apply this before you shampoo. This is really going to lift up all that dirt, excess oil, dry skin, all that gunk you want out of your scalp. Yes, I know shampoos also do this as well, but exfoliating, you only need to do it once a month, and it really gets deep in there and gets rid of all that toxins and all that dirt. Now here's the consistency again. I'm applying a little bit more. Now you can see the suds a little bit more because I did add water off camera. So you just want to focus on your scalp, nothing less, just your scalp. Shampoo, you want to get the rest of your hair, okay? But this is an exfoliator, so you want to just focus on your scalp. Make sure you get off all of that dirt. Make sure you scrub for a good couple of minutes. Now we're just rinsing out our scalp scrub so we can get ready to go to shampooing. So next step, preferably you want to use a clarifying shampoo. You want to really make sure that you shampoo that scalp. Make sure you get out if any exfoliation beads are still left in your scalp. But I promise you guys, the last exfoliator that I used, the one I just showed you, it was very fine beads, so nothing was really in it. Now you just want to make sure you shampoo your hair thoroughly. This one has mint in it, so it has a tingly feel, and I love that. Absolutely love that. Now I'm just really massaging my scalp because this feels really too good. So the next step is using a rinse out conditioner. I like to keep this in my routine because even though we're using a deep conditioner after, I want to make sure I get all the tangles out before getting to the treatment phase. And now choose your favorite deep conditioner. I chose this one from Miche. All right, now I'm going to apply it in 4 sections. I'm going to come back on camera with freshly deep conditioned hair. That is the end of the video, you guys. Those are all the steps that I take for when my hair is completely matted and I haven't washed in over a week. These are the steps that I take to have a clean base and a nice moisturizing base for my products. So if you got all the way to the end, definitely subscribe because you're here and I appreciate you so much. So we're going to be back on the next video. Bye, you guys.